is who are we? How do we relate with what we have shared up to now with this narrative, with the United Nations Sustainability Goals, Third Paradise Framework? How is it that your practice, maybe long established or maybe newer, so we need to bring to a harmony the second paradise with the first, creating a third paradigm, a third state.
In fact, it's an event in two moments: a forum, sustainability through differences, and an exhibition of an artwork of a famous Italian artist, Michelangelo Pistoletto. The idea of the forum is to present a new alliance between mankind and nature. That is essential.
To build a peaceful world, and to build a peaceful world is not enough to create an artistic work, but the role of the artist is to relate his work with the human being, what is around himself.
We should be curious, we should be updated to understand. The same is art. Art is not just only something that you feel and say, oh, so beautiful, that is, I like or not like. Actually, there is a path that especially contemporary art took long time ago. And so it's nice to be updated.
Pada saat ini saya sedang tertarik pada konsep transformasi ide. Nah, transformasi ide itu saya melihat selama ini kita sudah mulai memikirkan bagaimana melanjutkan ide, melanjutkan pikiran yang sifatnya produktif.
To connect people, the network, and I really believe, and especially in Bali, that I feel Bali is a kind of art, it's a kind of third space, the concept of third space. And for me it's very important what you don't see instead of what you see.
I think that the Third World War is already here.
Cuman mikirinnya uang terus, lama-lama kayak kesadarannya itu hilang. Terus koneksinya dengan alam juga hilang.
If we want, we can improve a lot in every field. That can be sustainability or ethic or for every kind of business.
And it is happened and it is being fought. It's all over the planet.
We're heading toward a catastrophe. And the main obstacle is that the political conditions are not there, because all over the world you see the instruments of collective bargaining are being threatened.
But if you see in history, every time something had to change when you really actually start to have the problem yourself physically. Let's say you wake up in the morning and you don't have water.
Jadi itu yang bisa kita lakukan, tapi bahwa ini fenomena global, tapi jawabannya ada di lokal.
From communities, so all the things that we have made up to now is something that can be applied. This is the first. Yes, absolutely. And given all the things that we have said, I'm just saying, with adjustment, changes, and things out there.
Kita di sini udah ada pengetahuan, akar budaya yang dekat dengan alam, menghormati alam, dengan melibatkan komunitas lokal, di mana artinya di sini budaya lokal, pengetahuannya, kearifannya itu akan harus dipertimbangkan dengan serius, gitu loh.
Regarding the forum, I think is a perfect sample to start to see more of an idea, more of a sample that has already been placed there for so many years, centuries.
So, we need to create together things that can avoid our kids to grow up without the conscious.
We are 40 people agree about this problem, so we have to move.
Speaking Balinese or local, different 300 ethnic culture in Indonesia. Even we are Indonesia. We have a problem to have communication.
Some of us, this is only can do the backyard.
Yes.
Others are good for the politics.
When it's sexy and I do it from the back, then it's interesting, like the iPhone.
Excuse me. 1 second, please. Let's not monopolize.
Thank you very much.
At the Banjar level, at the village level, you have monthly discussions. That we try to harness the local institutions, such as the Banjar, or if not the Banjar, perhaps even better, you see the Muda Mudi associations at the level of the villages. We should perhaps as well, you see, work through the mosque.
Bagaimana berubahnya suatu nilai, bagaimana kehidupan itu bisa berubah dari yang desa, kota, cosmopolitan city, itu kan ada kelangsungannya. Akhirnya pada suatu titik saya melihat bahwa bagaimana melestarikan, mempreserve, melanggengkan hal-hal yang sudah dirasa langka.
Only those three things. Sustainability in school. Approach children in the schools. That is the best way to reach young people.
The second way for me is the way of small steps. It's the way like today, like this day spent together.
Like the bottle plastic, we call it. So we don't have recycle project here, but your country have recycle project. Japan have recycle project. Do photo viral. So in the airport, we put this garbage in our bag. Now the garbage I bring to back to my country. And recycle there. When in 10th century in Bali, the first revolution was in 2nd century. This is missionaries from Japan come to Bali, and they create something like culture, art, support system, and a lot of people find each other like this. So everybody wanna do good thing.
Kita jarang juga mengkritisi diri kita sendiri, sering mengkritisi orang lain kayak gitu ya, masyarakatnya banyak lah gini.
You know, ideas, issues, problems, whatever. But in the end, I think that in the end, actually, in the start, we start from ourselves. So that's what it comes to me. It's like I have a company. I can influence people within the company or within my own family. It's a lot of people. It's a lot of places, and it's meaning hundreds of people. Because so, what can I do within my environment first?
Itu yang pertama. Yang kedua, komitmen. Setiap komitmen itu harus dimulai dari rumah kita sendiri, dari meja makan kita sendiri, dari bahasa ibu mereka, dari bagaimana wanita-wanita atau perempuan-perempuan di Indonesia memperlakukan anaknya.
Marco can probably tell you I'm so difficult to bring here because if you're not pregnant, I don't see you.
Science, respect for nature, kasi hormat sama ibu pertiwi, sama mother nature, dan adat. Itu yang paling penting.
But if we would like to go on, it's true that we can go on. Thank you so much.
It is time that also we begin to tell the story. This new hero coming on stage of the third millennium is the organizations, is group of humans, men and women, elder and young, together working and spending their time every day, their hours together to achieve something, to make a living, to survive, to organize things. We need to make sure that we see how these organizations will be the ones that will deliver us to the third paradise planet.